Hello everyone, today we will introduce hydraulic self-centering vises to you. It is a workpiece device for CNC machining, center head workpieces. The hydraulic vise system consists of the main plate, the vise main body, the female jaw, the sub-jaw, and the pneumatic hydraulic station. This is the motherboard of the hydraulic vise, which is the medium between the main body of the vise and the hydraulic station. The main body of the vise can be equipped with female jaws and sub-jaws. Threaded holes and positioning holes are reserved at the bottom. The reserved thread on the female jaw can be replaced with different styles of sub-jaws. The sub-jaw can hold the blank workpiece or finish the workpiece. After processing, he can release the blowing function from under the teeth. The working principle of the pneumatic hydraulic station is to use compressed air to send compressed liquid into the hydraulic system in order to realize the control and drive of hydraulic equipment. Next, let's observe the assembly process of the hydraulic vise.
慢点装。上来。可以吹气了，你给它看一下。 放这里有用吗？